Hello everyone, this is one of the co-founders of Zeytin oil. I want to bring you to Ephesus today, which is a magnificent site. If you have never been, I strongly urge you to visit, but that's besides the point. I want you to bring to Ephesus today to talk to you about the trade of olive oil that was happening as early as 130 to 160 BC. So one thing to notice, the road behind me was the road that used to lead into the port. They opened up a canal and they used to take all the goods in and out of Ephesus and then take him to whoever mattered in Rome or in Europe. So why is this important? Because we know that there are 90 endemic types of olives in Turkey. This is really strong number compared to anybody else, Greece, Italy, or Spain. So what they used to do is, as we know from scripture, the oldest olive oil mill in Turkey dates actually 600 BC, is a stone throws away from this region. And they used to process olive oil as early as 600 BC, if not earlier, and then they used to ship it using this same exact road, putting it on horseback and putting it on chariots and everything, and then sending them through to the port and to the ships and to Rome. How magnificent is that? It's just, every time I think about this, is spectacular. This is how much heritage we're carrying in this bottle. This is how much belonging that we have to this business. This is how much belonging that this region has to this product. Olive is almost sacred in this region. Whoever you go talk to about olives and olive oil, they are enthusiastic about it. They can't stop talking about it, just like me. So I want to leave you guys with that. I strongly urge you to buy one of our bottles, give it a try and let us know what you think. Thank you very much. I say goodbye from Ephesus. Take care.